Burmese chicken spaghetti. A delectable culinary journey awaits. Join me through the entire video to unravel the secrets behind crafting this delicious dish. Welcome to Burmawala Kitchen. I've chosen a large chicken, expertly cut into 16 delectable pieces. Time to infuse some magic with a symphony of spices. 1 tablespoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of black pepper powder, 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of Kashmir chili powder, 2 tablespoons of danya jeera, 2 tablespoons of vinegar, and a generous addition of garlic and ginger paste. A thorough mixing is imperative, allowing the marination to weave its flavors for a minimum of 15 minutes. Now onto the cooking adventure. In a pan, introduce half a cup of oil and elevate the heat. Add the marinated chicken, letting it sizzle for 5 minutes until it dons a delightful color. The next act involves the introduction of 4 tablespoons of tomato puree, marrying it with the chicken for an additional 2 minutes. No need for extra water. Let the chicken and tomato puree weave their culinary magic. Place the lid, lower the heat, and allow it to dance in flavors for 30 minutes. As the chicken embraces its symphony, let's venture into the world of spaghetti. In a tall pot, orchestrate boiling water with a tablespoon of salt. Introducing 500 grams of spaghetti. While it might be sacrilegious to the Italians to break spaghetti in half, our Burmese rendition embraces this unique twist. Let the pasta waltz in boiling water until perfection is achieved. And now let's craft the pièce de résistance, chili oil. In a bowl, amalgamate 3 tablespoons of chili flakes, 2 tablespoons of red chili powder. Pour in a cup of boiling oil with caution, as it exudes a delightful burst of heat. Returning to our perfectly cooked spaghetti, drain it in a colander, refraining from washing it. Infuse the noodles with 1 tablespoon each of light soy sauce and dark soy sauce, fostering a flavorful blend. Meanwhile, our chicken has evolved splendidly, with risen oil and the vibrant hues from Kashmiri chili. Merge the spaghetti into the chicken extravaganza. Adding another tablespoon of dark soy sauce for depth. Conclude with a flourish. Embellish with chopped spring onions and finely sliced onions. Your culinary masterpiece is complete. Serve this tantalizing Burmese chicken dish in a charming round bamboo dish, garnished with fresh coriander and a generous squeeze of lemon. For a perfect pairing, indulge in my Burmese soup recipe, featured on my channel. A heartfelt thank you for joining me this week. If you haven't subscribed yet, consider joining our culinary community. Share your location with us, and last week's greetings came all the way from Ontario, Canada. Happy cooking!